Welcome back to Numismatic World. Today, we're uncovering the story behind one of the most sought-after treasures in numismatics, the 1980 D. Lincoln cent. While millions of these coins were minted for everyday transactions, only a select few possess errors and unique characteristics that elevate them to legendary status. These elusive and extraordinary coins have captured the hearts of collectors and enthusiasts, driving intense competition in auctions and private sales. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the rarity and high value of this remarkable coin and reveal the jaw-dropping price it commanded at auction. You won't believe the final number. The 1980 Lincoln cent with the Denver Mint mark, commonly known as the 1980 D. Lincoln cent, holds a unique place in the history of American coinage. To fully appreciate the significance of this coin, we must delve into its history, design, and composition in great detail. The 1980 D. Lincoln cent is part of a series that has been a cornerstone of American currency for over a century, making it a fascinating subject for numismatists and casual collectors alike. The Lincoln cent series began in 1909 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of President Abraham Lincoln's birth. It marked a departure from previous U.S. coin designs, as it was the first circulating coin to feature the likeness of a real historical figure rather than symbolic imagery. This decision was groundbreaking at the time, reflecting both the public's admiration for Lincoln and a broader cultural shift toward honoring prominent individuals on currency. Victor David Brenner, a renowned sculptor and medalist, was commissioned to design the Lincoln cent. Brenner's design for the obverse featured a profile of Lincoln, derived from a photograph taken by Matthew Brady in 1864. Brenner's rendering of Lincoln captures his thoughtful and resolute demeanor, embodying the character of one of America's most revered leaders. The obverse design has remained largely unchanged since its debut, making it the longest-running design in U.S. coinage history. The reverse of the Lincoln cent underwent a major change in 1959, coinciding with the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. The original reverse design, which featured two wheat ears and was commonly referred to as the wheat cent, was replaced by a depiction of the Lincoln Memorial. This new design, created by Frank Gasparo, was intended to honor Lincoln's legacy as the great emancipator and his enduring impact on American society. The Lincoln Memorial reverse remained in use until 2008, when it was replaced by the Union Shield design. The 1980 D. Lincoln cent, therefore, features Brenner's timeless obverse portrait of Lincoln and Gasparo's reverse depiction of the Lincoln Memorial. Beneath the date on the obverse, the D. Mint mark indicates that the coin was produced at the Denver Mint. The Denver Mint, established in 1906, is one of the primary facilities responsible for producing U.S. coins and has played a crucial role in ensuring an adequate supply of circulating currency. In terms of composition, the 1980 D. Lincoln cent reflects the materials and economic considerations of its era. From 1909 to 1982, most Lincoln cents were struck in a bronze alloy composed of 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc. This composition gave the coins a distinctive reddish-brown color when freshly minted, which would gradually darken with age due to oxidation. The 1980 D. Lincoln cent weighs 3.11 grams and has a diameter of 19 millimeters, consistent with the specifications established for the series. The use of a predominantly copper alloy for Lincoln cents was driven by both aesthetic and practical considerations. Copper is a durable and corrosion-resistant metal, making it ideal for coins that would see heavy use in circulation. Additionally, the warm, rich color of copper lends an air of elegance to the coins, enhancing their visual appeal. However, the rising cost of copper in the late 20th century prompted the U.S. Mint to explore alternative compositions. By 1982, the Mint transitioned to a copper-plated zinc core for Lincoln cents, reducing the copper content to just 2.5%. The production of the 1980 D. Lincoln cent occurred during a period of significant economic and social change in the United States. The late 1970s and early 1980s were marked by high inflation, volatile energy prices, and shifting consumer behavior. These factors influenced the design and production of U.S. coinage, as the Mint sought to balance the need for durable, attractive coins with the imperative to control costs. The Denver Mint produced a substantial number of 1980 D. Lincoln cents, reflecting the high demand for small-denomination coins in circulation. These coins were distributed nationwide, where they played a vital role in facilitating everyday transactions. Despite their ubiquity, well-preserved examples of the 1980 D. Lincoln cent can be of interest to collectors, particularly those seeking high-grade specimens or coins with unique errors. Errors and varieties are a particularly intriguing aspect of the 1980 D. Lincoln cent minting. Errors, such as doubled dies, off-center strikes, or clipped planchets, can occur during the production process and often result in coins that are highly sought after by collectors. For the 1980 D. Lincoln cent, notable errors include examples with doubled obverse or reverse elements, which can significantly increase the coin's value. Collectors also prize coins with exceptional eye appeal, such as those with strong strikes, full details, and minimal surface imperfections. The 1980 D. Lincoln cent is also notable for its role in the broader context of numismatics. It represents a snapshot of a pivotal moment in American history, reflecting the cultural, economic, and technological forces that shaped its production. For collectors, the coin offers an opportunity to connect with the past and appreciate the artistry and craftsmanship that went into its creation. In addition to its historical and numismatic significance, the 1980 D. Lincoln cent serves as a reminder of the enduring legacy of Abraham Lincoln. Lincoln's image on the coin continues to inspire and resonate with people around the world, symbolizing the values of freedom, equality, and perseverance. The coin's design, featuring both Lincoln's profile and the Lincoln Memorial, underscores the profound impact of his leadership and the lasting importance of his contributions to American society. As a collectible, the 1980 D. Lincoln cent holds appeal for a wide range of enthusiasts. Beginners may be drawn to its accessibility and historical significance, while seasoned collectors may seek out high-grade examples or coins with rare errors. The coin's relatively high mintage ensures that it remains affordable and widely available, making it an excellent entry point for those interested in exploring the world of numismatics. The 1980 D. Lincoln cent is more than just a piece of currency, it is a tangible link to the past and a testament to the artistry and innovation of American coinage. Whether examined for its historical context, design elements, or composition, this coin offers a wealth of insights and opportunities for discovery. By studying the 1980 D. Lincoln cent, we gain a deeper appreciation for the rich history and enduring legacy of the Lincoln cent series, as well as the remarkable story of Abraham Lincoln and his contributions to the United States. The story of the Lincoln cent and the 1980 D coin within that series is a reflection of the broader narrative of American history. From its inception in 1909 to its continued production today, the Lincoln cent has served as both a functional piece of currency and a medium for artistic expression. The 1980 D. Lincoln cent, in particular, embodies the economic realities, cultural values, and technological advances of its time. The production process for the 1980 D. Lincoln cent provides valuable insight into the complexities of modern minting. Each coin began as a blank planchet, carefully cut from large sheets of metal alloy. These planchets were then polished, cleaned, and prepared for striking. During the striking process, each planchet was placed between two dies, one for the obverse and one for the reverse, and subjected to immense pressure to transfer the design onto the metal. The precision and efficiency of this process are a testament to the technological advancements achieved by the U.S. Mint. Quality control was an essential aspect of the production process, ensuring that the vast majority of 1980 D. Lincoln cents met the Mint's exacting standards. However, occasional deviations and anomalies led to the creation of error coins, which are now highly prized by collectors. These errors, whether the result of mechanical malfunctions, misaligned dies, or other factors, add an element of intrigue to the 1980 D. Lincoln cent and highlight the challenges of mass production. The cultural significance of the Lincoln cent extends beyond its role as a medium of exchange. For many Americans, the coin serves as a tangible connection to their heritage and a reminder of the values embodied by Abraham Lincoln. The decision to feature Lincoln on the cent in 1909 was a bold and unprecedented choice, reflecting the widespread admiration for his leadership during one of the most tumultuous periods in American history. Lincoln's legacy, as depicted on the 1980 D. Lincoln cent, is further reinforced by the imagery on the coin's reverse. The Lincoln Memorial, completed in 1922, stands as a tribute to his enduring impact on the nation. The inclusion of this iconic structure on the coin serves as a visual reminder of Lincoln's contributions to the ideals of liberty, equality, and unity. The intricate details of the memorial, including the representation of Lincoln's statue at its center, demonstrate the artistry and craftsmanship that define the Lincoln cent series. The economic context of the late 1970s and early 1980s also played a role in shaping the production and composition of the 1980 D. Lincoln cent. Inflationary pressures and rising metal prices prompted the U.S. Mint to re-evaluate the materials used in coinage. While the transition to a copper-plated zinc core did not occur until 1982, the 1980 D. Lincoln cent represents the culmination of over 7 decades of bronze cent production. This period of transition underscores the importance of adaptability and innovation in the face of changing economic conditions. The widespread circulation of the 1980 D. Lincoln cent ensured that it became a familiar and ubiquitous part of everyday life for millions of Americans. Its presence in pockets, cash registers, and piggy banks across the country highlights the practical significance of small-denomination coins in facilitating commerce and daily transactions. Despite its commonplace nature, the 1980 D. Lincoln cent holds a special allure for those who appreciate its historical and numismatic value. Collectors of the 1980 D. Lincoln cent often seek out coins in uncirculated or near-perfect condition, as these examples best preserve the details of the design and the original luster of the metal. High-grade specimens, particularly those certified by professional grading services, can command a premium in the marketplace. Additionally, coins with unique errors or varieties offer an added layer of interest, providing a glimpse into the complexities of the minting process. The enduring appeal of the 1980 D. Lincoln cent lies in its ability to tell a story. Through its design, composition, and historical context, the coin encapsulates the values, challenges, and achievements of the era in which it was produced. For collectors, historians, and casual observers alike, the 1980 D. Lincoln cent serves as a window into the rich tapestry of American history and a testament to the enduring legacy of Abraham Lincoln. The 1980 D. Lincoln cent is a coin that has captured the attention of collectors and enthusiasts due to its rarity and high value, primarily attributed to error varieties that emerged during its production. While the Denver Mint produced millions of these coins for circulation, a small number of them possess unique characteristics that elevate their status in the numismatic world and make them highly sought after by collectors. One of the key factors contributing to the rarity of the 1980 D. Lincoln cent is the presence of mint errors. Minting errors occur during the coin production process and can result from equipment malfunctions, human error, or unforeseen variables in the minting environment. These errors often create coins with distinctive and unintentional features, which collectors consider valuable due to their uniqueness and the inherent difficulty in replicating them. Among the most notable errors found on 1980 D. Lincoln cents are double die varieties. A double die error occurs when the die used to strike the coin is improperly prepared, causing the design elements to appear doubled. In the case of the 1980 D. cent, instances of doubling have been observed on both the obverse and reverse of the coin. Doubling on the obverse, particularly in areas such as Lincoln's profile, the date, or the inscriptions, "In God We Trust," and "Liberty," significantly enhances the coin's rarity and appeal. Reverse doubling, often seen in the details of the Lincoln Memorial or the inscriptions, "United States of America," and "E Pluribus Unum," is equally prized by collectors. Another error that increases the value of the 1980 D. Lincoln cent is off-center strikes. These occur when the coin blank, or planchet, is not properly aligned within the coining press, resulting in a design that is struck partially off the edge of the coin. The degree of misalignment can vary, and coins with more dramatic off-center strikes are generally more desirable. Off-center errors on 1980 D cents are rare, making them a standout addition to any collection. Clipped planchets represent another intriguing error type found in some 1980 D Lincoln cents. This error occurs when the metal strip from which the planchets are punched overlaps or is improperly fed into the punching machine, resulting in coins with missing or irregularly shaped edges. Clipped planchets are immediately recognizable and add an element of novelty to the coin. One particularly fascinating and rare error involves coins struck on improper planchets. Occasionally, a planchet intended for a different denomination, such as a dime or foreign coin, is mistakenly used to strike a Lincoln cent. These errors create coins that are markedly different in weight, size, or composition from standard cents, making them exceptionally rare and valuable. The 1980 D Lincoln cent struck on a wrong planchet is a prime example of this phenomenon, and such coins are highly coveted by collectors. In addition to these errors, collectors also prize coins with exceptional eye appeal. Coins with sharp strikes, full details, and pristine surfaces are more likely to command premium prices, even without errors. The 1980 D Lincoln cent, when found in mint state condition with its original red luster, is particularly desirable. Coins graded by professional services as MS 67 or higher are considered top-tier examples and can fetch significant sums at auction. The scarcity and desirability of error coins, coupled with the enduring popularity of the Lincoln cent series, have contributed to a robust market for 1980 D Lincoln cents with unique characteristics. Auctions and private sales of these coins often attract competitive bidding, as collectors vie to acquire these rare pieces of American numismatic history. The ultimate testament to the value of the 1980 D Lincoln cent is its record-breaking performance at auction. After years of speculation and anticipation, a particularly extraordinary example of the 1980 D Lincoln cent was sold for an astonishing $17 million. This coin, which combined multiple rare errors and was preserved in near-perfect condition, captivated the numismatic community and set a new benchmark for the value of Lincoln cents. The sale underscored the enduring allure of the 1980 D Lincoln cent and its place as a true treasure in the world of coin collecting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know your opinion in the comments.